Guys, Python is a versatile language and there are many tips and tricks that can help you write cleaner, faster and more maintainable code. Here we have few more useful tricks. Trick number one liner if else if statement in Python. Okay, I have one example where we are checking one number whether it is even or odd. Simply we are checking this number with help of if and else. We are setting a message even or odd. Okay, run the program, number is even. Okay, but this can be written in a more simpler and efficient way. Just remove this if else, just put this line. We are saying in a message variable we will be printing even if number is even, otherwise it will be printed odd, right? Run the program, you will see number is even. Trick number 2, getting value from dictionary key. We have a one simple dictionary where we are getting value from one key, that is b, right? The output should be 30. If you run the program, so you will get 30. What if we are passing a wrong key name here? What will happen? It will raise an exception, right? To overcome this problem, we have one method on dictionary itself, that is get, which will not raise any exception in case of any key is not exist in your dictionary, right? Print. You run the program again, so you are getting none because k key is not exist in this dictionary. Okay, if you are having a key that is presented in the dictionary, so you will get the value. So what this get function is doing, it is returning a value if key is found, otherwise if key is not found, that will return none. We have one more argument on this get function. If the key is not exist in the dictionary, you can set a default value, right? 1000, right? In the program, so you will get that 1000 value is added on this key. Okay, we have one more method on dictionary, that is set default. It allows you to check if key exists and return the value if present. In case the key is missing, then you can set a default value while adding it to the dictionary at the same time. I'm saying k is not exist and I'm setting value is 2000, and then we are printing my dictionary and the program. This key is added to the dictionary. Okay. Trick number 3, counter class in Python. Sometimes you need to count the object in given data source to know how often they occur. In other words, you need to determine their frequency. For example, you might want to know how often a specific item appears in a list or sequence of values. We have a list of item. Run the program. So here we have a list of items which is type of integers, and we have passed this list into the counter class, and we are trying to fetch how many frequency of 4 occurred in this count. So that is 4. To increase one more 4 into the list, you will see now 4 becomes 5. Okay, we have one more method, that is get on counter object. If you want to get a specific item is occurring how many times, you can check it. So one is occurring only once. If you want to get most occurring items in this list, top 3 most occurring items during the program, so you will get 4 is getting 5 times, 3 is getting 3 times, and 2 is getting 2 times. Okay, some more method, they will help you items and keys on the counter. You run the program, you will see. So we have a dictionary items 1 1 2 2 3 3 6 1 and 4 5, which means 1 is occurring once, 2 is occurring 2, 3 is occurring thrice, and 6 is occurring once, and 4 is occurring 5 times. Okay, what are the keys? These are the distinct key from this list. Trick number 4, enumerate function in for loop. Enumerate is a built-in function in Python that provides an elegant way to iterate over a sequence like list, tuple, or a string while keeping track of both the index and the corresponding item in the sequence. It returns an iterator that produces pairs of index and value during each iteration. This is the example. We have a object of list items which we are iterating with help of enumerate function. Enumerate function is taking a one argument of list, that is iterable, and we are iterating each item with index. You run the program, you will see index 0, 1 and 2. We have one more argument in this enumerate function, that is start. If you want to start from a specific index, you can pass on. If you want to start from 100, we can also pass on negative indexing here in the start parameter. Run the program, so it will start from minus 1000. Let's see trick number 5, that is print function in Python. Sometimes you need to print some values on the console like this. But the same thing we can print easily. This is also work in the same way. Here we have used string formatting and we have used this expression. Okay, so it will print the same thing. You see, sometime you have number of variables which you need to print on console. With print function, a separator argument can be used in the print statement. Separator argument you can use. You want to separate your each variable value with this symbol. So you can see 1, 2 and 3 is separated with this hyphen. Okay.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.